Hi, hello everyone. I'm just got back from my night run, and before I forget, I just came to my office, go to my desk, and then out of my head, I create this content that I want to share with you. That actually, I just this is my second time to run in the night. So I ran only near my house through the street, regular street, and then I want to give you some tips, maybe from very beginners person who run in the night. So today I just run for 4K in the pace of 7 minutes. I'm not really good runner actually. As you can see, wait, I will show it to you. This is my running app. I ran for where is it? Um, See, this is only 4.4 kilometers with the pace of 7:49 seconds. So I'm not a good in runs, but because this is my second time and uh, I just sparks in my head, so I create this content. I would suggest you, if you want to start to run at the night, the first thing first you have to buy is this safety vest. This is really important because this spotlight reflect light actually, obviously, and then it makes you safe. It makes you safe during you run at the night. Hey, where'd you go? Come here, baby, come on. This is my this is my daughter. She is really beautiful, really gorgeous. Come to Papa. Okay. So the first thing, you have to buy this safety vest, which because this is reflect the light, so it will keep you visible through people, through the car out there. So make sure you save while you're running at the night. And the second things, you have to wear a jacket. Actually, obviously, not because cold out there, but this for your safety also, because we never known that maybe someone riding their cars, and then we got hit a little bit and we got scratched if we are not using the jacket. So I'm using this running jacket. It's really a really light jacket, and this is make me safety, and I'm comfortable with it. And then the third thing, you have to know that you have to run um, wrong way with in the different sidewalk on your street. I'm living in Indonesia, that the streets on the left, which is we if the cars move forward on the left, depends on your geography. If you are on US, I know US is on the right, and then if you run at the night, you have to run backward the streets. So I mean like this, if you are running here and then this is the cars, you have to run through the direction of the cars, because it makes you more visible, and then you will be aware, both you or the driver of the cars will be aware there is you which is running at the night, which is not very common all over the world, I think. So that makes you safety. So make sure that these three of things you consider before you running at the night. First thing, the safety vest, and the second thing, use the jacket even if out there is really hot. And then the last thing, you run clash the direction of the cars. So that's it, guys. This very very not appropriate videos, not very appropriate content. And this is my daughter. Say hi, bye bye. See you on the next video. Bye bye.